How to use someone's code on Temu. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use someone's code on Temu. For this, launch open the Temu app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. If you do not have this application, you can easily download it from Play Store or App Store. Now, you want to explore the website and add the favorite items in your cart. For that, you can tap on this plus icon over here. After you have added them to your cart, tap on the cart icon at the bottom of your screen. From here, you want to select the items that you want to purchase, then tap on the checkout option. Now, on the checkout page, you have to enter your shipping address. If you have not done that, go ahead and do that. Next, you want to do is select your payment method. For this, you can add your card or select PayPal, Afterpay, or any other payment methods. Now, if you have someone's code and you want to use that, you have the option of apply coupon code. Tap on that. Now, you want to enter the code that you have over here. Remember that you can only use one code per purchase. After that, tap on the apply option. If the code you have entered is valid, it is going to be applied. Now tap on the submit order option, and in this way you can use someone's code on Temu. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.